Okay, ready? You going? So we have fantastic news for the first-time home buyer. We have added a credit restoration specialist to our team. So you might be wondering, what does that mean to me? Let me tell you what that means to you. For the first-time home buyer, we have the first-time home buyer credit restoration program. So you're going to pay, if you're an individual, $99 to start. If you're a couple, $198 to start. That gets you your consultation, your starting consultation here. And then through month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, our credit repair specialist is going to be working with you to move your credit score up, to do anything they can. And I don't know the details of all that because they take care of that. That's not my job. They're going to get your credit score up. After month 6, they're going to give you back to me. We're going to go over and we're going to talk to the loan officer. We're going to get you qualified for a loan. Once you're qualified for a loan, because we just got your credit score up, we're going to go look at a house. We're going to find you the house you want because that is my job. Then we're going to go under contract. After we're under contract, everything looks good because, again, that's my job. We go to closing. After closing, the good part, I'm going to pay the other $600 of your credit restoration program. So, you get in the game with the initial down payment for your credit restoration program. You go to the consultation and take part in the program, qualify for the loan, close with me on a new house, and I pay the other $600. It's a great program. If you want to get part of it, give me a call. Mark Jensen at 512-289-6075. We'll get set up in it. Y'all have a great day.